Heavy hailstorms struck Friuli Venezia Giulia this afternoon, Friday, July 11th, around 4 p.m., particularly in the lower regions, from San Giorgio di Nogaro to Nimes, passing through Posenia. This severe weather brought not only thunderstorms but also hail, with stones measuring between 2 and 5 centimeters. Which whitened many roads in the region, as confirmed by images shared on social media by many users. Around 4 p.m., ARPA meteorologists explained, a thunderstorm developed and quickly intensified, producing hail. This hailstorm was accompanied by strong winds. Fortunately, despite its intensity, the storm lasted only a short time, about 15 minutes, before moving towards the Murano region. However, there were various disturbances. A powerful storm front was crossing the region. Along the A4 motorway, just before the Latisana exit, the situation became critical, as documented by various images and videos shared by motorists. Reduced visibility, heavy rain, and slowed traffic. Among the most affected areas were Porpetto, Muzzana del Torgnano, and several neighboring municipalities, where hailstones were estimated to be 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter. The mayor of Posenia, Deborah Furlan, explained the quote, "The hailstorm was devastating, causing significant damage to the countryside, destroying the entire year's harvest, and seriously damaging the sports field where the Torneo dei Borghi tournament was taking place. The town's roads were also affected." Photos circulating on social media showed icy roads, uprooted trees, and flooded fields. In Posenia alone, 25 millimeters of rain fell in a short period. In these areas, residents experienced a sudden change in weather, with skies darkening within minutes, followed by a severe thunderstorm accompanied by thunder and strong gusts of wind. Fortunately, the event was brief, lasting about 15 minutes, but long enough to raise concerns about potential damage to crops, roofs, and vehicles. Some images show icy roads, bent trees, and waterlogged fields, as local authorities monitor the situation to assess possible interventions.